Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks, part 3 of this. And one of my viewers or subscribers, in the previous 2 videos, I made 4 envelopes. He just said, why don't you just would it work? He wasn't telling me, he was questioning it, or he was suggesting it. So I made 2 rectangles and just took 2 lines to make a shape. I'm going to nudge that out of the way, and I'm going to left click, right click, and like before, I'm going to go to effects and contour to the inside. No, that's not enough, because I don't want the words touching. There we go. And then I don't have to break it apart. I'm just going to use Smart Fill Tool. Smart Fill Tool, what it does is it makes a new object. So I'm going to left click, right click. Now I'm going to grab, he just suggested 3 or 4 lines of text. And I think you would have to type them out and all be one text. So you can still edit it, see as a text. And then just go to effects and envelope. Now, I don't know why this is happening on this shape, but I've got to flip epilogue upside down. And then I'm going to put create from envelope form, and it puts it right in there. Now, this is in the center of the page, so we can actually delete all this. We can select that, shift select that, and go CE. We can nudge it over to where it was. We can get rid of our line. We can grab our text. Well, let's get up indexing lines. I had them turned off. So take an indexing line P, grab this, make a duplicate, Control D, double click on it, get it on the center. Whenever you don't hit that X, Corel's going to do that. I'm not in the center. You know what's nice? You can zoom in as long as you have something showing from your one item on the screen. There we go. And now I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. Control D, 180 degrees. So I thank that viewer for that tip. Now to do kind of what we did the other day with it, we don't need a calculator. I am going to select all this, hold down the Shift key, and double click my rectangle tool. Now, there's a deal. You need to group it together. It needs to be one object. Then hold down the Shift key and double click your rectangle tool. I'm actually going to make the rectangle a little bit bigger by holding down the Shift key. I am going to nudge it out of the way, and I'm going to make it, let's make it this dark purple. Let's make our text white. And let's put this back, or object order back a page. So I think that viewer subscriber, that is a lot faster. Well, I guess it doesn't matter if you're going to do one word or multiple words like a sentence. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.